Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Let's solve this root equation. First we say solution, root 2 root x equals to 2. What we do, we square both sides. When we square both sides, we are having root of 2 root x all squared equals to 2 squared. When we do that, square we cancel square root, left with 2 root x equals to 4. Next, we divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of root x. So we are having 2 root x all over 2 equals to 4 all over 2. 2 we cancel 2, left with root x equals to 2. Then root x equal to 2, what we do, we square both sides. When we square both sides, we are having root x all squared equals to 2 squared. Square we cancel root, left with x equal to 2 squared will give us 4 as the answer. We can take another method which we solve this to be root of 2 root x equal to 2. What we do, we square both sides. And if we square both sides, we are going to have root of 2 root x all squared equals to 2 squared. Square we cancel square roots, which will give us 2 root x equal to 4. Here, what we do again, we square both sides. And if we square both sides, we are going to have 2 root x all squared equal to 4 squared. 2 squared will give us 4. And when we square x, square we cancel square root, which will give us times x equals to 16. The next step, we divide both sides by 4. When we divide both sides by 4, we are going to have 4x all over 4 equal to 16 all over 4. 4 we cancel 4, left with x equal to 4 into 16 will give us 4. We arrive at the same answer. Drop in the comment section which of the two methods you prefer. If this helped, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.